Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the brand new 2026 Yamaha Crypton FI. Yamaha has always been known for giving us reliable, fuel-efficient, and stylish commuter bikes, and this new Krypton just takes all that to another level. It's small, smart, and sharp, built for city riders who want economy and durability but don't want to compromise on looks or performance. So let's get right into what makes this new model special and why it's turning heads across Southeast Asia and Latin America. The first thing that'll catch your eye is the new design language. Yamaha went for a clean, modern look with sharper lines and more aerodynamic bodywork. The front apron now features sleeker LED headlights and DRLs that give it a bit of attitude. It's got that mini sport commuter vibe, something that makes it stand out on the road without trying too hard. The 2026 version comes in a new glossy pearl color scheme with bold side graphics and a touch of chrome, which feels premium even for a 125cc class bike. The black seat perfectly complements the shiny body, and the design just feels tighter and more refined. The riding ergonomics are where Yamaha really shines. The seat height is perfectly balanced for all riders, tall or short, and it's comfortable for long commutes. The handlebar is slightly raised, giving a relaxed riding posture, and the foot pegs are positioned naturally to reduce fatigue. The seat cushioning has been improved this year, and even the suspension setup feels softer without losing control. It absorbs bumps really well, which makes it perfect for rough city roads. Now, under the body, the new Crypton FI gets its biggest upgrade, the fuel-injected engine. It's a 114cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that delivers about 8.7 horsepower and 9.5 newtons of torque, paired with a smooth, four-speed manual transmission. It's not about being fast, it's about being efficient, consistent, and durable. The fuel injection system has been refined to give better throttle response and even cleaner combustion, which means better mileage and lower emissions. Yamaha claims this new setup can easily cross 60 kilometers per liter in real-world conditions, and that's a big deal for daily commuters. The frame and handling are just as impressive. Yamaha uses a lightweight steel frame that keeps the bike stable yet nimble. The front suspension has telescopic forks, and the rear gets dual shock absorbers, both tuned to handle daily city abuse. The bike feels light when cornering, and maneuvering through traffic is effortless. The braking setup includes a front disc and rear drum, giving you a balanced and confident stop even on wet roads. One area that really impressed me is how smooth and refined the bike feels. The engine hums quietly, the gearbox shifts are crisp, and there's almost zero vibration even at higher revs. It's not a bike that wants to race. It's a bike that wants to keep running day after day without breaking your wallet. That's what makes the new Crypton FI such a smart pick. Yamaha also didn't ignore the little things that matter. The digital analog instrument cluster looks clean, showing speed, fuel level, trip, and gear position. The LED headlight and tail lamp are brighter and longer lasting. The new alloy wheels have a sportier 5-spoke design, and the tire grip has been improved. There's also a small under-seat storage space, enough for a few essentials, and Yamaha even added a small hook under the handlebar for convenience. When it comes to build quality, Yamaha keeps its solid reputation. Every panel feels well-fitted, the paint quality is premium, and the bike feels sturdy overall. It's the kind of bike that will easily last you years if maintained properly. And because it's Yamaha, spare parts availability and after-sales service won't be an issue either. Performance-wise, the bike can easily reach around 100 kilometers per hour at top speed, which is more than enough for urban and semi-highway rides. The clutch feels light and gear transitions are smooth. The combination of lightweight design and fuel efficiency makes it ideal for beginners and daily riders who just want something simple, comfortable, and trustworthy. The new generation of Krypton also focuses a lot on eco-friendliness. Yamaha designed this version to comply with the latest Euro 5 emission standards, which means it's cleaner and greener than ever. Even the engine tuning has been optimized for low emissions without compromising power delivery. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha Crypton FI strikes that perfect balance between practicality, performance, and modern style. It's not a flashy sports bike, but it's definitely one that earns respect for being consistent and efficient. The design is smarter, the performance is smoother, and the efficiency is better, exactly what riders in this category want. And before we wrap up, let's talk about the expected price. The new Yamaha Crypton FI is expected to launch at around $1,950 to $2,200 depending on the market. That's a fair deal for a bike that offers this level of build quality, technology, and reliability. So, that's the full look at the 2026 Yamaha Crypton FI. Stylish, efficient, and built to last. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome bike updates coming your way.